to it, add a zero 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 to it, add a zero.
I remember being super crunk when it was chicken day or a music show on my homie's pro base. And don't forget the football and basketball games. And when I didn't have to stand in line for financial aid, the things that we learned and the friends that we made. All thanks to Winston-Salem State. See, your contribution would take this institution to higher levels, flyer levels, graduate and buy a business. So more support, we show them more value. Our degree holds, make the way for future generations. Payrolls, won't you join us and make a pledge to add a zero? Make the way for future generations. Payrolls, yeah. Payrolls, yeah, add a zero.
This is your boy B-Dot, man, class of 2006. And I'm making a personal challenge to all my Ram family to join us and donate to our alma mater. Look, the contribution helps in many ways. It can help students get scholarships for school that wouldn't normally get one to go to college. It helps keep the university functioning. It could go towards academic programs, different sports programs, and most importantly, it raises the value of our degrees. The more people that show support, the more the school is deemed effective. Look, so to make it real simple for everybody, we came up with this genius idea, the Add a Zero campaign. It's simple. Add a zero to the number of years you've been out of school. Say you graduated last year, 2010. Well, that's 1 year. Now add a zero. You give $10. Graduated in 2009? That's 2 years. Add a zero. That's $20. Graduated in 08? That's 3 years. Add a zero. $30. No, you graduated in 07, didn't you? That's 4 years ago. Add a zero. $40. Oh, you got a little history? Graduated in 2000. Congratulations. 11 years ago. Add a zero. $110. I graduated in 06, so that's 5 years. Add a zero. So I need everybody that graduated with me to help me in giving back $50 a piece. It's simple. So please, Ram family, make a donation. Go to www.wssu.edu. Find that Donate Now button, and bam, add a zero to it. Or you can drop it off at Alumni Relations, located at the S.G. Atkins House. Listen here, you know the voice. It's your boy, B-Dot. And I'm challenging every one of my Ram family members to add a zero to it. Yeah!